And with that, the 2024 season comes to an end. Good night.
2, 3, come on, girls. Thinking about me every night. Oh, is it that sweet? I guess so.
I'm not just a star, but you can fly away with me tonight. You can fly away with me tonight. Baby, let me take you for a ride.
Tell me why you gotta look at me that way. You know what it does to me. So baby, what you trying to say?
Trapped in our thick fence like ornaments.
And Papa says he got Milo in him. He got me feeling like ooh.
A little souvenir. Can I steal that from you?
Got me feeling like ooh.
You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see a shade.
I had to go. The boy is mine. I can't wait to try him. Let's get into town. The stars that reflect. The boy is
Bitch, I said what I said. I'd rather be famous instead. I let all that get to my head. I don't care, I pay the town red.
Turn it up, it's your favorite song. Dance, dance, dance to the distortion.
Shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Swalla la la.
I'm a cool girl. I'm a cool girl. Ice cold, I roll my eyes at you.
Like, yeah, get your nails done. Get a pedicure. Get your hair pierced.
Let me check my chest, my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this. He ain't never even been impressed like this. Probably why I got him quiet on the set like this.
How your wife and needs scotch, you don't get wins for that. I'm having another good year, we don't get blimps for that.
Me and all my girls, yeah, we looking fabulous.